Milk, yogurt, fruit, biscuits. It's not breakfast time but dessert time, called yogurt cake. The perfect no-bake cake for all seasons. The yogurt cake is a cheesecake style cake, so let's start by preparing the classic base and putting the cookies in the mixer. Here are my crumbs. I transfer them to a bowl and add the brown sugar and the melted butter. I'll mix it to obtain a pasty mixture, and I can transfer it to the mold. Here it is. It's a hinged mold, as you can see, that I have already greased and lined with parchment paper. I used the 20cm one to get a nice high cake. I'll compact my buttery crumbs well on the bottom. The base is ready. I just have to put it in the fridge to harden for at least half an hour. We can take care of the cream. I pour the milk in a saucepan to heat it up. As soon as it is hot, there's no need for it to get to a boil, I can combine the gelatin that I have already soaked for about 10 minutes. But first, I squeeze it and mix it with a whisk to dissolve it completely. I keep it aside for a moment, and meanwhile I can whip the cream. A very cold bowl, I'll sweeten it slightly with a bit of icing sugar, and to avoid disasters, I cover the bowl with my trusty film and begin to whip. The cream is well whipped, and I can switch to yogurt. I add the gelatin dissolved in the milk and stir well. I can start adding the cream. The first stir will be vigorous to dissolve the mixture, and then I'll proceed with more delicacy. The mixture is ready, I just have to transfer it on the base, which is now firm. The yogurt cake is ready to go in the fridge to harden for at least 5 hours, then I can take it out gently and decorate it with berries. Bon appétit!